Hello student, now today we solve exercise number 14C. The question number 1 is E is the midpoint of the side AB and F is the midpoint of the side DC of the parallelogram ABCD. Prove that AEFD is a parallelogram. Okay, means in this question it is given that ABCD is a one parallelogram. E and F, E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of CD, and we have to prove that AEFD is a parallelogram. Okay, so you know very well in a parallelogram the condition is the opposite sides are equal, means AB is equal CD. This is the property of parallelogram, and AB parallel to CD means this side is parallel to this side. Now E and F are the midpoints, so this side will equal to this side and this side equal this side. Suppose this is 2x and this is 2x, and E and F are the midpoints, so this will be x, this will be x. ये 2x है तो ये x और x, because AB is equal CD. We suppose that this is 2x and this is 2x, and E and F are the midpoints. So midpoint means x and x, x and x. That means AE is equal what? FD, because this is x and this is x. So x is equal x means AE is equal DF, and this side is parallel to this side. Whole line is parallel to this line, so that's why AE is also parallel to DF. Okay, because full line parallel है तो इसकी half भी parallel होगी. Now you have to learn one point. This is the point. In a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite side equal and parallel, then this quadrilateral will be parallelogram. ये जो पॉइंट है ये लर्न करना है आपको, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये कई क्वेश्चन में यूज होगा. क्वेश्चन क्या है? इन अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल मींस फोर साइड, 1 2 3 4. In a quadrilateral, if one pair means this side equal this side and this side is parallel to this side, so that's why AEFD will be a parallelogram. किसी भी quadrilateral में अगर तुम ये फाइंड कर लो कि ये साइड इस साइड की इक्वल है और ये साइड इस साइड की पैरेलल भी है, तो ये जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा ना, दैट विल बी द पैरेललोग्राम. सो AE इक्वल DF and AE पैरेलल टू DF. So in a quadrilateral AEFD, AE is equal DF and AE parallel to DF, so it will be parallelogram according to this theorem. Means in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite side equal and parallel, then it will be a parallelogram. So AEFD will be a parallelogram. Okay student, now we solve question number 3rd. ABCD is a one parallelogram. Okay, and E and F are the points given, and in the question it is given that AE is equal EF is equal FC. AE is equal EF is equal FC. It is given in the question. Now in the previous chapter you study about the congruency of the triangle. So we take two triangles, triangle ADE, this triangle, and triangle BFC. We prove that both are congruent or not. So the first step is AE is equal FC. AE is equal FC. It is given in the question. So we write the reason in the bracket. Second, angle DAE. This angle is equal this angle. Why? Because it is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel to each other. That's why the alternate angle will be equal. Interior alternative angle will be equal because it is a parallelogram. In short, parallelogram we can write parallel line, then GM, parallelogram. And the third case is AD is equal BC, because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AD is equal BC. So first step, AE is equal FC given in the question, DA is equal BCF, interior alternative angle, and AD is equal BC. because it is a parallelogram, or in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So by the property of side angle, side, then included angle, then side, included angle, then side, included angle, side, SAS, both triangle are congruent to each other. Congruent means जो triangle same हो, एक जैसे हो. By CPCT आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. CPCT का मीनिंग होता है corresponding part of congruent triangle. Corresponding part of congruent triangle means when we prove that both triangles are congruent to each other, then their other side will also be equal according to their angles. Means ये दोनों triangle congruent हो गए, तो इसके अपोजिट साइड क्या है D, और इस एंगल के अपोजिट साइड क्या है FB. So both will be equal, D equal FB, and AD equal BF it is given, BC given. तो इसके अपोजिट एंगल क्या है हमारा AED, और इसके अपोजिट क्या है BFC. दोनों साइड इक्वल है, इनके अपोजिट जो एंगल्स होंगी वो इक्वल होंगी. यही तो होता है CPCT. So DEA is equal BFC. Okay, so this angle will be equal by CPCT. Now when these two angles are equal, then we can say both lines are parallel to each other. Okay, if both the angles are equal, then both lines DE equal FB will be parallel. Why? Because exterior angles are equal. जैसे ये होता है इंटीरियर अल्टरनेटिव एंगल, ये होता है एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेटिव एंगल. लाइक टू पैरेलल लाइन, दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, this angle will be equal to this angle. This is called the exterior alternative angle. So in this case both the angles are equal by CPCT. That's why DE parallel to FB. Reason लिख देना इसमें exterior alternative angle. Okay, now in the third case you have to prove that DEBF is a parallelogram. So in the question number 1 we discuss about in a quadrilateral if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel then it will be a parallelogram. ये definition हमने अभी लर्न कराई क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में. If in a quadrilateral if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel then it will be parallelogram. So in the first part, this is the first part, this is the second part. In first part we prove that both lines are equal, and second part both lines are parallel. So this follow the condition that in a quadrilateral if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel then it will be parallelogram. So that's why in the third part write the definition that we discuss in the question number 1. So write down this and then we can write DEBF is a parallelogram. शॉर्ट में लिख सकते हैं पैरेलल लाइन देन GM पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में डेफिनेशन है उसको यहाँ नोट करके फिर लिख देना DEBF इज अ पैरेललोग्राम. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज प्रूव दैट the bisector of opposite angles of a parallelogram are parallel. Means ABCD one parallelogram and it is given that the bisector AE and FC are the bisector of opposite angle. ASC are the opposite angle, and you know very well in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Let angle A equal angle C equal 2x. Means we suppose that angle A इक्वल एंगल सी, ये पैरेललोग्राम में होता है, इक्वल 2x ले लिया, एंड AE एंड FC आर द बाइसेक्टर. मींस अगर फुल एंगल इज 2x देन हाफ विल बी x एंड x, फुल एंगल इज 2x देन हाफ विल बी x एंड x, बिकॉज AE एंड FC आर द बाइसेक्टर. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट AE इज पैरेलल टू FC. Okay, it is a parallelogram means AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC because ABCD is a parallelogram. So this angle is x, so this will also be x. Why? Because both lines are parallel, so interior alternative angle will be equal. So this angle is x, so this will also be x. Now we have to prove that AE parallel to FC or not, because this angle is x and this angle is x, both are x. That's why both lines are parallel, because this is the condition of corresponding angle. You know what is the corresponding angles? Suppose this is the transversal line. This angle is suppose x and this angle is x. If both the angles are equal, then we can say both lines are parallel to each other. Okay, this is called the corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. So in this case, this is x and this is x, so that's why AE parallel to FC, hence proved. Okay, very simple question. First we have to take this is 2x, this is 2x, and this is the bisector, so x and x, x and x. Now this is x, so this will also be x, because AB parallel to DC. अब ये भी x हो गया, ये भी x हो गया, ये दोनों x x एंड मीन्स इक्वल है, और ये कब पॉसिबल है? जब दोनों लाइन पैरेलल हो, तो बस पैरेलल हो गई हमारी AE पैरेलल टू FC.